Again, welcome back to the Lewis family. Just a quick announcement before we jump into this vlog. As a family, we've decided that we can only post one video a month. Now how that's going to work is we're going to be recording throughout the whole month, and then we're going to put all those clips together and, you know what I mean, give you guys like a grand finale kind of thing, you know what I mean? Grand finale. I believe that it's going to work because you're going to see different parts of the month. You know what I mean? You're going to probably see my face introducing each video. However, it's going to work out. We're going to make it work for you guys. But again, people, thank you very much for your support, your constant support. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit us up on Instagram. Instagram is very active. You'll see more videos on a weekly basis on Instagram versus YouTube. Again, manners and respect, people. Love you guys. So this morning we're on a mission, and I say we because it's we. What we're going to be doing is trying to get our mommy?
No, mommy.
We're gonna get Cheryl a gift because it's Cheryl's birthday. She's not very specific when it comes to gift, which is mommy will say just get me something, and it's just like you gotta figure it out. It's not easy for me, but we're gonna get her something nice. Stay tuned. We will see what I pick, and we're gonna see where we're gonna find the better deals and the nicer things, right? Like my man's here that's decked out, looking nicer than daddy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're at our first location. Might be our only location if I get lucky. Usually Kohl's have good stuff, but again, my wife isn't specific. Chanel's here with us, by the way.
Hi.
Whole crew. So we're gonna see if we can find our lovely lady a nice gift. Let's see if we get lucky. This might be the only stop. If not, you know how it goes. Gotta shop around. We're at the makeup section. Makeup.
I don't think mommy wears makeup.
We don't think mommy wears makeup except lip balm.
Yeah,
we could probably work on the lip balms.
Oh, like that, the eyelashes.
Well, it's definitely
Eyelashes? She get her eyelashes off the line.
Oh, the eyebrows.
There's some potential here. There's perfumes as well. So we're gonna find out what we can do. Alright, so she's a big collector of perfumes. This girl has literally over 10 bottles of perfume. Hey, how are you? So we can try to see maybe to add to that, or again, we're gonna explore. Some comfortable socks for winter time when it's summer.
That could be a part of it. But why would you get?
So what's gonna happen though, if you guys watch the end, you'll get the chance to make a comment about what we may have bought. If you do get the answer right, then you have a chance of me sending out FiMiEnz branded shirt. It's gonna be a unique design, of course. So watch the end, and then you're gonna tell us what we pick. This is like some nice engraved bracelets that says mom, father, love, all that kind of good stuff. Chanel needs a gift as well. She can either go birthday gift or she could go Mother's Day gift.
Wait, can I go like both?
Or she could go both. She seemed like she got a lot of cash on her, so.
Yeah, I got a cash on.
You know, we may have chosen one of those bracelets. Who knows? And it's Mother's Day as well coming up, so. Those are engraved bracelets that talk about parenting and all that. So let us know if we choose any of those, right? We already found a couple things. We already picked out a couple things that we like for her. We're not gonna get the wrong gift today, right?
No.
Because she's got all the money. This one over here.
Yeah.
She's gonna be
Spending.
big money spender today. So we're also in the shoe department. So it could be possibly that we could get her shoes, right? There's one more, huh? Who knows?
Yeah.
Come on, guys, help us out. Did everybody have fun shopping?
Yeah, but I have to go back to class.
Oh yeah, she has to go back to class. Where's the baby at? We made it. We got what we wanted, right, Shadel?
Yes!
We got what we wanted. So it's your time. Guess what's in the bag? Guess what we got her for a gift? I'm going to give you a couple of options. Could it be a shoes? It could it be a bottle of perfume? Could it be earrings? Could it be a necklace? Could it be a bracelet? Could it be lip gloss? Could it be makeup? Rings?
Yeah.
You got the option. Tell us what we got for Cheryl. Just make a couple of guesses. If you guys get the right answer, if you got 2 out of 3, all you have to do is listen out if you are the winner. And we're going to send you out either a mug or a shirt. Alright, from FiMiEnz.com. Alright, so the big reveal.
Alright, all of this don't make any sense in the bag.
It's a party.
Ooh, I love these. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kenny. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 10? Are you 20? Are you 30? Are you 35? Are you 36? Are you 37? Yay!
You're 37?
He did, and he is aging well.
You're almost
He doesn't
close to
look
40.
37.
37 yet?
Yeah, I was going to look for a 17 candle yesterday. It was because I couldn't remember his age because he looked so young. I made breakfast for him because it is his birthday. So I gave him the king treatment, his coffee, because he can't go without his coffee. That's one thing. If you don't know Kenny, he loves coffee. Here is his present beside him.
I did get it.
But I want him to eat, and because he's, he's hardworking, he's a loving, caring father.
Yeah, leave him, right?
Shadell gets him present. We both picked it, and she has more to come. And the day he's not done, and you will see more coming to his way.
Heavy.
Who?
Well, there's like a big box in there, I think.
Right.
Little man?
You want that?
He was traveling all day
boy.
yesterday.
What is that?
And Nick.
Oh, man. So if anybody knows Kenny works out a lot.
Massager with heat.
Right.
What?
I thought of he got injured during the military when he was in the military, so I thought of something that could help him relax. When I stress him out too, I stress him, he can go in the room and just woosa. And it's a carrier, so you can take it with him. Right. So I just hope that he will like it.
I love this one.
All right, that's good.
It's gonna be tried out today. I probably sleep with this one.
All right, we had to get him something that was simply the best
Bath
for
and
him.
Body Works.
Yeah, I
Yes.
suggest that you should get him
These are
some.
fragrances?
Yeah,
or what?
fragrance.
Yes, you should try them. Spray one on your hand right now.
You got yourself a little balloon?
Okay.
It smells really nice because I smelled it
You
yesterday.
just woke up, but
Oh.
yeah, man, this is nice.
You like it? All right, so there's 2 of them.
That's it?
Yes, that's it, and a card from us. But the present is not done. You are going to work, so you will see things popping up. All right, so
Wait, there's
enjoy.
Thank you very much. We got the birthday boy to the right and the beautiful daughter to the left.
No, shut up,
Is it left or
model.
right?
Top model, Tara Banks model. Let's see,
Oh, her beautician.
Oh, and the
is
beautiful
Cheryl.
one to the further left.
Yes.
We finally got. Look at the hands.
They must say so mother, so daughter.
I'm gonna eat him cake.
Yes, look at the layers. Red velvet it name?
Yes, I'm a favorite.
Oh, red velvet is a favorite.
So I won't tell you the man aging, but he's no child, right?
And he's aging very gracefully.
But listen, we have a full house today.
Full house.
We have the big man, the big man, daddy himself.
This is the first
Of course.
generation.
Yep.
That's my uncle right there, Uncle Albert.
And then you have the bigger man over here, so you know.
Yeah, man.
For the
First,
celebration
cousin
birthday,
Kenny.
you know.
Cousin Ken. Cousin
what I
Ken. Yeah, man. To the
Our
world.
beautiful Molly to the
Yes.
right. Look at the yes, man. Look. Me.
Always a hide.
And the youngster them back here. Up on the end so there with the families. Families
and me with my Uncle Belly pick my plate already.
Yeah, man.
Because me love big food.
Boss man is celebrating birthday, and of course we have to come through, show our face. You know what I mean? As a family, we have to celebrate as a family. That's true. Yeah, man. Big day.
I'm gonna give him the $1 million already, so him getting birthday $1 million.
everybody just afraid that camera, so I don't little camera on the afraid, see? Everybody afraid that camera, so. Huh? Oh, people look so pretty and afraid that camera, so man. And my ugly face all up in night.
We sing.
And we make
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Conrad.
Woo!
Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
You make a wish now? You made a wish? Yeah.
I bet Josie.
Clean cut. Can I get that slice?
Out and about.
No.
Lois family out and about. Need that though. Somebody first start walking for video share.
He might mock me.
I don't know if I agree or she shrunk, man.
Because I'm not wearing heels. Normally when we take picture, we're out somewhere that is nice. That requires me to wear heels.
I think we came to this spot once.
Yes, when Kenny first took his time on the slide.
Say hi, boy.
Hi.
Hello. Of course, you see where I beat the brands. From FiMiEnz. Of course, FiMiEnz. MyEnz.
No, not mine. It's FiMiEnz. And the website is FiMiEnz.com. FiMiEnz.
ENZ. She says Z. She don't say Z.
No. You're Jamaican. Jamaican say
Z. Acho? Build that momentum. Build.
Push one little time.
Push the one little time. You enjoying yourself, guy? Yeah. Yeah? This guy. I think Chanel is somewhere riding.